What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys quick and fast. I'm gonna run through that one of my people so make we get the right night. So Annie talk about Ackee walk, you know what I mean, and when she find out say I'm going with where I'm going with, you know what I mean, and say him did too brave or something like that, you know what I mean. Also you have some people have them take on the whole situation, you know what I mean, why Annie never just send the youth back in yard when she suspects something going, you know what I mean. And we also have cute boss and goody, you know what I mean. I talk how them feel about Annie. We have a couple more things, you know what I mean. So when I go see that in the video, you know what I mean, I go cut the intro short, we go get in with people, so I just kick it off.
I literally him. Oh God. Guys, somebody can't get one galaxy. Can't get a galaxy charge. Thank you guys. One play one mix. I can't bother for a fine song. Can't bother for. TikTok boss now follow. I not trade them here. At this I use. I'm with them. Let's me share my eyebrow. But my eyebrows them microbladed, guys. Still crying over man. Yeah. It's a photo. You know me eat the care by baby I do. You need for blood clot change your dirty ways. That's how them stay. That's how them stay, Bashi. Oh, favorite line that. My favorite line that. Make sure you text the person about the weight loss, regular text message. Please, make sure it's a regular text message. Regular text message. As she do it, auntie. As she do it. As she do it. As she, because all of a sudden them and girl turn friend. As she do it. They know about it a long time. They want to humble me. Early, them a try for humble me. The all the blind and the deaf and the dumb in a blood clot Israel seed. But then do me a favor, because I know what I go on. Exactly. Let them a try do. The truth me know say me probably I get one bun with them, I get one more than blood clot me. But go through them man have sense, you know, say no girl no fit take them picture. My love. Exactly. Like them take me for idiot. All of a sudden you want, oh, please. Yeah. But at the end of the day, me glad them come about me so me can know, because mother day and the man and the woman would have married and me didn't know nothing. Exactly, I didn't. My love, my dear. Yeah, my kids are great. They're with their grandparents. They're upstairs. Upstairs, my love. Yeah, the wig. I see her under the girl comment. I said the girl them wicked. So the girl wicked, they would mind the girl come bust it up and blood clot me, you know, and come with her receipt them. Empress, may I ask my question, Empress? May I have a friend, me know you from Adams? The man a human, me no must shame about the bun too. So Man just ask for some fuckery. What about the fuckery, man? Blood clot. What about the fuckery, man? What about the fuckery? Your man, my mother did it. Man, ask the fuckery. What's about the fuckery? Alright. Comment, darling, and my mother. Man, ask for foolishness. So come back later and talk. So now come over here, come blood clot promote your business. You can't give me nothing. If now come over here, come promote your business. Make sure so you can at least send me 2 money gun. You can't just want to come promote your business for free. So guys, I want the whole way I tell myself I find next man. Them too dry eye shade, that's my problem. Some of them are them too dry eye enough for true. And I look a validation from them friend. That's why them end up in them position here. Come here guys, come here, I'm going to $100. Any female will never get money at send a lion, please. Anybody will never get born before send a lion for me, please. Any girl over here will never get a bun beg on a lion, please. I'm not gonna money for buy me a 3 Birkin, barbz. I don't know if you probably can't get one from her, come give me. Where could I make girl blood clot up here me? Needs to go, man. I've got trust it. Guys, begging us some heart me. Can't take nothing serious, babes.
Some people, you know what I mean, Kavi, like she had talked about, I make light of the situation, you know what I mean, about the bun and Ray. But I one thing me I say my people, this me I say to Kavi, say Kavi, if him no want you, me there, I know see a million more man there. You can, as you just say the word, so, you know what I mean, a man ready to take you up with whatever problem you have, you know what I mean, I don't have, a man ready to take you up. You see me, cute face and big body, Jaja, that's all a man want, you know what I mean. Some people make me know want to think make watch some more.
I'm paying them to stay up for. I have the kids them for about chat, man. Internet is just uno the problem, you know, because uno not give people grace. Uno happy say this happened to me, so I can't talk about it and make uno feel better like uno never go through what I go through. Mix her mingle, yeah, another one of the disrespect. Exactly, Tommy. Understand what you say. understand. Guys, we're gonna some aunt me. I wanna write some fucker, me not even understand how not say. Too interested in a people's life. Nobody know ball. Fuck you talk about ball, girl. Thank you. This is somebody, 2 girls in like comments with black and blue eye. Somebody said 2 girls in like comments with black and blue. Guys, we're gonna some heart me's, please. We're gonna some heart me's, guys. We're gonna some heart me's. Exactly good old should want, man. I already drink water and drink my coffee and the things them. Heart me's shot. See, Atto gone left me. They can't believe Atto. And left me. Miss Shane. You know, we can't bother. Guys, thank you for the support.
Cook for please myself. And you have a talent, she can cook for a whole nation. And I have never seen, I have never yet to seen. And you a big chef. And it's Annie use her talent good over here. The amount of money Annie make over here, me did in any position. I keep a big free cook out and just give her food so. Runner, come here. I keep a big cook out and walk down every homeless and give a pure food. And then I use our blessing good. And then I use it good. Hey, I should have can cook. If I did ever can cook, you say, laugh, what should I laugh and lift up, big up. I should have can cook. Hey, let me tell you something. Annie would have get more than what she get now if Annie did ever take up herself to cook for the homeless. If Annie ever take up herself and use TikTok money and go cook for the homeless, I could have even one time she do it. Only that see more difference. But Annie take the money back. At least we can't tell nobody what to do with their money. But Annie now have a door and take the money. Gonna hear B&B for snap in there. And yet still when you in our house, you know not snap in there. I'll do Annie snap with our blue curtain. My dear. When God bless you, bless back people. Me have to come here, come tell you how much people me help. Yeah. Who me help, know say me help them, and God know me help them. Me not have to tell you who me help. Yeah. And Annie not have to really tell you who she help neither. But Annie's moving careless with the free money. Triple chat. We can't tell her how to spend it, but under your money. And it takes that money under your and it's under mine's neither. Take that money under my one neither, that's why me give it away. So me get it, and so me give it away. So me get it, and so me help somebody. And so me get it, and so me give it away. Because me not all for myself over here, cause free money. And free money, and not even free money, somebody is working hard for that money. But because them love we and them want to support we, because them things that we Jamaicans are in deplorable condition. But most of we are in a deplorable condition. Most of we on the upper deceiving. God inspire people for help we, and we are take it, use it differently. Thank you, Jesus. When me did young, me used to buy fuck. And now me big and you make people help me, me now buy fuck again. Big up. When me used to sell fuck for buy fuck, I was an entrepreneur. Me buy and me sell. Me usually sell fuck for buy fuck. Me not tell you no lie, chat, I tell you no the truth. Me take money from Peter and Paul. I pay them things that me used to do when me young chat. Cause me never did understand. Me take from Peter and Paul. I take from Saul and Gibal. Me not tell you no lie chat. If you never know where me I come from, me have to tell God damn. If you never know the mentality where me I come out, me have to tell God thanks. If you never get one club, if you never identify, The mentality when me have come out to where me they know. Me have to give God the praise.
Oh, you mean? Who there we have for the place, girl? What?
God no give me no house yet. Him no give me no car yet. Him no give me no material things yet. But him give me wisdom. Him give me knowledge. Him give me an understanding. And him give me the spirit of discernment. Then me could have did want nothing more than that. To where me have come from, to where me then know. Me could have did want nothing more than that. I appreciate this so much. When material things don't even matter to me. Thank you, no chat.
And me fit tell you.
Me get the biggest blessing there is. Because people tell you already say mindset. The whole of them over here make big money. But the mindset where them in are not right.
Where that way?
The mindset where them in are not right. So guess what happened? God no give me money, but him give me the mindset. God no give me material things, but him give me the mindset. I can own anything I want to own now. I can own anything I want to own now. But me go tell you why me can't own nothing. Me can't go own, and I'm not going to say me can't own it neither. But you see the art that God gave to me, I am going to give away my ass and shit through my ribs. Because if me even have the money.
Alright people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Well, me not talk too much in that one, so I can watch some more.
If I buy a house and Mrs. Smaddy are dead and that house money can save them, the house I go cancel till a later date. If me have to buy a car and something pounds up by anyone of my family, them, my friend, them, or anybody, and the spirit of the intuitions where God coming and said to me, say, cute boss, that person is in need of urgent care. Try believe, say me not disobey my intuitions. If my intuitions tell me, say, do that, me not be disobedient because you know why? Because me tell myself, say, God living on my intuitions. So anything I've spoken into my intuitions is what I have to do. It is what you believe in, I know. And me believe, say, God live inside of me. So whenever me hear the voice, say to me, say, cute boss, do that, I am not going to be disobedient. I am not going to be disobedient. So if me have to give me last, me go and give it if the spirit tell me to give it away. Because me don't know the other plan we God have. Because I have a reason why he tell me say, give it that. Because I'm a bigger plan than what me have. Him have bigger plans than what me have. Me no business born nobody, but me in love with my God. Me in love with my God as a girl out in the world. As a fucky girl. That's a goodie.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Remember last week Sunday me did a play? And you know, me go collect one money and me see one baby mother with about 6 penny. In I care when me there. I say, me hear one voice say, make sure you tap and bless her.
You hear mommy?
You hear me?
Yeah, me hear the voice. Yeah, thank you.
The spirit say, make sure say you tap and bless her. And me I say, sure. When me collect the money and they come back, me tell the driver, I say, drive same place where you drive. And he say, what? Me say, no worry about that. So me pull up and me give girl $5,000. The girl look at me say, he say, what me want? Me say, I'm say, cute boss as me rich. Somebody call me and say, see $100 yeah, God say me figure.
Big up God. Big up God.
Say,
Big up God.
somebody give me, say God say me forget it.
Big up God. Don't
merciful God. I mean I say,
don't talk to the whole of them.
if that there's somebody that know what me just do.
Big up God.
Hey. And you see, let me tell you something. You see, spirit tell me say that girl been praying from when? When me give her $5,000, the spirit said, goody, this girl been praying from when?
Goody, come here. God is a spirit. God no live for her. God can't take no hand out here. So all God have to give you.
God is in you.
God have to inspire a human being to come give you. Affi inspire a human being to come help you. Hey, goody, you see if you be obedient and you don't disobey the voice, remember me tell you, you don't understand how far God I go take you. You see that look board house the way you're living in. You see that look chaka board house the way you're living in. You see how you're comfortable in that blood clot. You see how you're snapping at that and you're going at that and you go live in that. You see how you're not uncomfortable in that. You saw you sit down in your shackle and comfortable with your position. Goody, come here, so girl. You don't know where God I go take you. Mr. God I go take you up on a pedestal. You see how you're comfortable with what you have. You saw you're grateful and you identify God and you don't have nothing. Mr. A piece of blessing I go take you, goody. A piece of mercy I got cold bumper take my body. A piece of blessing I got take your goodie and my why. You is me and me is you. Goodie me no worship material things. You is me and me is you. Goodie me will buy a TV today I might pick me and mash it up tomorrow I'm in a vex. Because of material things and anything money can buy, me no worry about it. Goodie, God I got take you places. Hey, listen to me, no cold bumper take all my dirty body. Chat power chops. Cold bumper take my dirty body. Me not goodie. Me not even know what me I say. Right now, me just a say. You hear me tell you, goodie? Right now, me don't know what me I say, but me just say. But something in my spirit just know say. God I go take you places. Tell them again for me, Kino. A whole heap of we there. God give we and we still a complain. Good, you know how much people live comfortable?
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Make a watch some more. Boy my people, as me tell you before, you know, yo, Annie just step back the place up for Rosealee. Remember where the Rosealee hot and nobody know to talk about Annie. Look how Annie have the place locked. Annie named upon everybody mouth. You see me I say everybody a chat about Annie. But what she do with the situation with Ackee walk my people, me no know like the way the people them are discussing and talk, like even the people them in the community, they must say yo she and him and the youth power and Ray. Me I wonder if and they know say something are going between them or should never know. You see me, cause as the situation come up with the people them, they see the people them, you know what I mean? She do this, she come out with this. Like it look suspicious. But tell me what you think.
You know much people live comfortable, but yet still them unhappy. You know how much? Double chat. You know 5 nuggets we have in a chat. Chat use the double. You know how much people have so much things and still uncomfortable. Goody, look how you comfortable. What Satan enter the chat? Satan, good help me little bit. I know everybody you can't touch. Cookie big up. God I go show her in time. God don't work for my timing, you know. Me can't tell God for hurry up film process, you know. Me can't tell God. I cannot tell God to hurry the process up. She over there crash out and bring me down. I cannot tell God to hurry the process up because I still don't know her by heart. But I see something different with her mindset. I see something different with her mindset, but I don't see her heart. I still don't know her heart. I still don't know the type of heart she have. I cannot see through the heart. So I can't tell God, say, all right, hurry up and show her up. God alone can see the heart. We only can see the mindset based on how them talk. But we cannot see the heart. So me can't tell God say, hurry up and show her up. No, me can't hurry God process up. God still have to judge her. How him want judge her. Not judge her because of me, but judge her for himself. So me can't tell him say, God, she bring me down, you know. So hurry up with the process. I cannot force the process. God is still going to give her time to change. So we have to just make sure do what she have to do. She said and she'll show it. God will show her up in a film time. Mama tell you something about my strength. I hear some me gather it. Bring down no do nothing to me. What she do right now is irritating herself, draining her own energy. God bring down no mean nothing to me. The water is troubled. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. Ah, Jesus.
Mommy at home, rat and climb.
Go in.
You go in.
No, we not talk about she. We just highlight. Me still know we not talk about her. But we just highlight some things. We use them as educational. Because that is the difference with me and them, you know. Them not understand, say. Them not understand, say. I use them as an educational tool. I use them to open people's eyes. I don't cuss them and I don't bring them down. I use them as an educational factor to open people's eyes, and that's what they will never see. Them not go ever see that. Them only go see her as an enemy. Right now on a clout, she look after me, you know, because she has a clout. She not look no clout. But I spoke the truth about her, so she's offended. She's going to be crashing out for days. She's going to be crashing out for days. And you know what is going to happen? Me not go answer, and then the internet will go beat her. Anyway, outside of she, we not talk about her. Make she crash out. Yeah, the truth is an offense, but this is not a sin. It is going to offend her. She's going to irritate herself. But when she lay down tonight off that camera, she's still going to beat herself. Bring down is our job. And you see when she lay down, later, she probably crying. She probably feels sad. She probably feel depressed after she finished projecting. You see, after she come off that live and finish projecting, she's going to be crying. She's going to be depressed. She's going to be stressed. Because you know what happened? Urban's supposed to come for people, but nobody's supposed to go for her. What kind of power she thinks she have? Crying in silence. What kind of power does she think she have when you keep? That's why I know she's scared. She's a coward. She's a coward projecting behind her phone. She's scared. She's a very scared person. And if you don't see, if you don't have discernment to see that, she's scared. Because how can you be talking about people, bringing down people, looking down on people, but you don't want nobody to talk about you? How can you be talking about everybody on the internet, but nobody should be talking about you? Urban learn to give and take in life. Me in a people business too every day. So anybody talk about me, have them right. Anybody come for me like how you come now because me talk, you have your right for talk. Right now you have your right for bring me down because I came and spoke about you. So you have your right now. But Urban, also understand this. You came out on people's business, on people's downfall. So everybody has the right to talk about you too. And I am not speaking ill of you because I am not in your household. I don't know anything about you. I speak on what you spoke on the internet and how you spoke. I speak on the things that you do. Me not come tell you say big pussy, Urban, this, that, no. Because me don't know nothing about your pussy. Anything when me come talk about you, it would be a lie. And me not deceive God. Me not tell no lie upon nobody. Me swallow the truth pill when me a born. And Urban, if me cuss you now, me a go build up story. And me have to go build up pure story. And me have to go tell pure lie. Because me never see a day in my life yet. Urban, me never see you a day in my life yet. Me don't know you from nowhere.
People, you look like say Urban no learn our lesson from the last bring down where she get in the wickedest way. So me I say one thing she fi know say yo, you see this internet thing here is not a normal thing and it's unforgiving and nobody at all no untouchable today for you, today for me. No, what them say today for you, tomorrow for me, something like that. You know what I mean? Make me know what I think, make me watch someone then move on to the next.
But when me sip on the internet, so me have to go make up story for cuss you. So it's pointless to argue with you. Think me.
Because I wonder if you see Bumbo class scream because I'm supposed to and he apologize to me. And when me say, I never apologize. I apologize way before Annie started to me touch her daughter. If Ackee cannot put Zoe from June, I wouldn't need to Zoe from her breast. And that more I know. She cannot pull me in no more, my love. Because trust me, we don't prove her wrong already. So you know what she can do now? Cook her for her daughter, Anna. And get crazy until the blood clot, you call it. You see blood pressure when she said she under. I go make she blood clot drop down. Hospital, let she go on. Can you lie? And he dash your belly like. And you and her daughter, be a belly then dash her. I tell the people about. We say yo Annie lie, yo fuck. We can't get in the toes with the left and go over there and say Annie, the rotten teeth you say you go take out. More you go say and show me if rotten teeth gone to you. Up to know the rotten teeth still in the Annie head. Annie never take out the teeth at all. Annie lie about everything when she talk on that this up there. All because she want to make this. Because Annie want to make the fun. The friends and the people over there is because Annie make them get viral too. Annie send people viral. Annie don't know people I'm gonna send them viral. And Annie send anybody viral. Just to the money. She said they want viral. I have 20 grand, I want 30 grand, I want to give Annie. Just go over there and send one lion, send one wheel and send something. And see if Annie not take time, get friendly with you. And she start answer every comment to you say. She will tell her what to do and she do it. As long as she get this for you. You never say everybody want money. When you can't do things for money, brother, it a go kill you and you pity them. And you start to see you pity them. So you see you pity them, start beg to you stop with them thing there. And start ball and say they don't want to lose you. They only somebody they have around them. They have to show you, say, open up your blood clot. Your father gonna show you signs. You pity they see a vision, so you have to lose it. No, son, Ackee walk with this, my love. You look like Ackee walk here. I know, at the yai ball, she fill the coat. At the yai glass, them fill the coat. A yai glass. I don't know where the fuck CD are wait for to go down there. Where CD are wait for to go down there? This a country on a level. Jamaica needs to upgrade, dog. Come wonder. I never see Bumbo Clay Rosalie get so much trouble for me up and then go for your it is quick and fast. So on to Bumbo Clay, Annie. We are being the worst for me up. I tell life for every blood clear body to draw down destruction from people, family. Eh? Somebody chicken on the life. And somebody find a yard and walk up there and there a blood clear gladiator. Then can go there one gladiator. Hard box. And set back our Bumbo Clay fences. Listen to me. When I tell me about police, it doesn't work. I would be a police station over Annie and I wish you say about me. People they never know. I'm going to need to post a video and prove nothing to her. You Affi, go talk to her, she need it. Try trick. And I know that you can't pronounce it. Try go trick. Any evaluation. Jesus Christ, you don't know. You don't read the boy. You're ready too big for me to pronounce. Don't you fuck.
to fuck. This is two man, the lady to come down, man. The pity then get free the fuck. Like if them a wonder say, yo, no man, you don't feel good enough. They have to feel good because that's if my mother that. I made the run and she go and say every day. You know what's afraid? Come here say, you know, say, CDA, they want to come to me, you know, police, you know, what the fuck we are going to go on? They fear for their life. Line out them what? If they jump it, if they drive out the car right now, me not tell you no chat. And go to I told me then they, and come out and start walk, they start get afraid of fuck. Because some used to carry their own, and they're afraid of fuck. So me know stand alone, me I tell you. When we used to carry them around, people used to see them. They're afraid, they want to take with themselves. You start with their Black River and crowd jar down far with them there. And I cut, they want to cut, and they get so intimidated. You know what you like when I share my daughter depend on life. Them people must have my paper. And must see that fly CDA or police don't go for them yet. The whole of them must have my certificate. Because that's the only way police going to scrape up them. He's no friend to Annie, my love. He's no friend to Annie. And if that be the case, Annie, if you go and say that too. No me. Because no me, I'm not the wicked person. I'm not a demon in me. Because if me a demon in me, I be worse than Annie though. Everything I'm chat over here, fuck. It's just that, and everybody ever like it. And who don't like it can cause fuck mood. Cause fuck up mooded. And you have to bumbo clad cheese them off a mood them in a day 5 days. Bumbo clad. You think that me give a fuck about no? What your experience around and tell me the truth. It was so disgusting. It was so stink. I made it that time to come on me head because I feel like me that suffocate down there. Actually, people never know. Is it true? Me is a good person. Me not like misplaced people, you know. Because me know people, me know everybody are feeling it. And the first thing when me did it, animals alone make me not feel good. Every time I feel like more of vomit. Oh, so me I tell blood clot lie now. And I tell her again. Eh? Give the lady a break, man. She have good ways. Good ways, no bumbo clot. Bumbo clot. Me have good ways. Took out a big stinking mama. When I like her. That is how we think the steel out. Bumbo clot. I mean, you don't want to say like, you know, one of my pages and my uncle won, my uncle sell shoes. So make sure you go right at Ivany Garden and go support him. Next to the police station. I mean, I tell you, say, all that bumbo class on my family. You feel like a joke? I don't want to see me on another page. I don't really want to see me on another page. I want it for people me have. Hello, lady.
Yes.
So my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, right? Because my people, them say once bitten, twice shy, right? Something happen with your picnic with LD now, seen, and you still make a next man come around your youth and also a walk with your youth at night time, go shop on them something there, you left the youth up with this person, and after we go on with LD, you know, so you tell me say you know cautious, none at all say them man now go look your picnic or something like that. People gonna tell me what you think.
Calm down.
Brother, hear me?
Yeah, calm down. I have some real good questions to ask you, and don't lie about it. Alright, you remember the first time when Only did I do the prank in the guest house?
Yeah.
Alright. You remember when you say she a real G, right? And no pussy can star.
Yeah.
Was it that you didn't like her in the first place, like, or you thought she was a good person at the time?
I thought she was a very nice person because it's the first I ever see Annie behave like that until I left and run Annie.
So how long have you been knowing her for?
I don't know Annie for long. But just know Annie by me doing my music. Listen, people have if they say Annie make everybody know me, and Annie make everybody know me. Everybody know me. Everybody know me because I'm on a fiesta. The song name I'm on a fiesta. Bumbo clad girl, or your pussy so fat. Bumbo clad.
I'm gonna say at the first, as she are gonna make everybody know.
And that's the reason why. No. And that's the reason why Annie come across my page because of that intro. Everybody start to like me off. We do all of the woman them because they must say bumbo clot. You know, so the youth I made the song go far. And they never help youth. From ever since people are go around me dog. I'm a figure I call long bumbo clot time youth. Me don't know why me have this good dog. Why me have this good youth? Why me not got bumbo class with them youth?
Well, I know Annie say on the media and off the media when people get to know her, two different stories. But I am saying
because you are. You see, because they can't control me, bro. And because of what I say about them, bro. Them have it to say. Them fi say things about me and laugh about me, but me not fi say nothing about them and laugh about them, bro.
Fair enough. And then to me, only people who go around you, because them say see me on the media and off the media is two different something. But only a person that been around you can know the real you. Yeah? And the part where him say, enough people don't understand because touching somebody. Okay, I heard. Hold on, I heard.
You know, say enough time. Listen, look how fuck up people is. Me was the only one respect Annie the most. Me respect Annie the most still. Not even Annie pity them. Me used to defend Annie for every bumbo clot thing till all people bring me down. People bring me down to the lowest, bro. To me pick up for Annie. Anybody violate Annie, me used to come out and say go suck out your mother till people and say, yo, everything Annie say, everything people say about Annie, you run them down. Everything rare. Stay out of this, stay out of that, and rare. And you see it?
Remember, me not know them in person, but me watch them. Me know Annie in person when she went there with her and the food, the restaurant where she did have. Me know her that stuff. But the next thing when me I say now, because me is a girl, me born in April, me straightforward, me no grown corner. When me I try to say no, alright, me I go say, me I go give one little blame to you know, because me I go say you've been around her, right? Yeah. And you should have just tell her the truth to her face too. You get what me I say?
Tell her which truth. To her face.
She said something now. She said her little daughter say you touch her. But let me tell you how people negative, how people stay now. Touching a girl doesn't mean him say you're there with her, you know. Yeah? All
that's how they can't say my fuck Zoe.
That's what I'm saying. That's the thing I try.
I never plan to go down there for go fuck none of them. So me not understand how me left from touching Bumbo Clady to touching Zoe.
And then when me I try to say no, we're the hypocrite players now, alright. You there around me for so long then. Me and you there I would be like vibes, I would chill on everything, right? And your daughter say touch me. Why you play the hypocrite role with me then? Why you bring it to the media? No. Why you never say
alright, Mark's a question. Me touch your daughter. You gonna look for come and apologize to me and be friendly with me back?
Exactly, but she said that she have the voice note them where you are telling her say.
Alright, let me ask her a question now. Look how she gonna bring down herself. Bumbo stinking old Annie. Annie will suck off the whole of Bumbo clad did them on TikTok. Any day you come with proof. Say me.
The only way I have to go run back and got Ochi. Because guess what, no see they don't have no control over that, you know. Once you put the sexual activity, your parents, they don't have to, they can't see a friend you or you, but they just try to cover up, say, you end up get locked up because you know say Ackee walk on her day long time and you know say it all bust out, so you just use that as a cover up. But in our work, if you remember say I have pitney and bother sing baby now Ackee walk.
Alright, my people, so this more officer, right? As me did I say earlier on, why Annie never send the man go back in the yard, you know what I mean, run the man from around her, like what the people them I said just now, seen? Alright, if you suspect something, you don't even have to suspect something from one person do something where you know like or something were wrong, you know what I mean, around your youth, you go you, like parent mood I go just chip in where you go watch everybody around your youth. So you tell me say so she just lego our youth where a man ray and then the next man come on and him around your youth just so freely. You're gonna guess us, you're gonna man yard and left the youth alone, like not really alone with him brother there. Seeing anything can happen. You left this youth around this man too freely. So somebody blame you, I forget it. You know what I mean? And even if you don't want to embarrass a person or if you don't want to accuse them, there are a lot of ways where you can, you know what I mean, approach a person about certain things, you know what I mean, put them on them, get like just make them know say yo this guana mood I never want to see something like this guana again, you know, ray LD you know do this, so be careful around me you with them cause you're there for me not them, ray this and that blah you know what I mean. But let me know what you think, people.
Nobody get me wrong, but this one no dig hole enough to dig too.
And then now she afraid me people in the community say they mash out car glass and I know you can't see one.
But Annie say I know Falkland people make sure they're from Falkland. Gonna trip now.
Who know who? I don't even know Falkland, my dear. I'm in America. I don't even know where
they're talking Falkland people over here. Annie say, wanna trip now life. And right about now, it's hard to believe anything because when CDA come and people see it on pink wall and they ask Annie about it, Annie said no, and then she come out and say yes. Sister, that over there lying, man. She lie, yo. I mean, that boy not fucking little girl a long time, but guess what? Two CDA come in, them
telling us something. You see in a community, I may tell us something. Falkland not like what people talk. You see in a community, I tell us something everywhere you go. You see, for your mind your own business and live, alright, everything alright. You understand me? At this so Annie come from. Nobody not do Annie nothing in Falkland. At this so Jamaica come from.
But at the time when she said man come in for her pity them, where she there? She there police yard. Did she left that same day?
She Annie left all I got dance with him pitney them. Make something, all the sun drop in a running off. Sure pitney meal different. It's all when them big. I pitney me call them.
I want to you. I think I'm here.
And when you have big somebody my box and don't see me, I pitney, be careful how you talk around me. And be careful how you do because me in a size.
This is true, me know say me never grow with a mother nor a father. Yo.
When you have your man want go in your phone, go find the evidence. That's Ackee walk and search your woman phone. What machine on the phone?
That is out of order time. I'm writing bright.
And I'm sure my phone here the little girl. I'm not cheat for you, so you don't have to treat me so.
Annie was there.
Yeah, you know,
and he went there right there.
That's nice. That was a full-blown relationship and CD and Jamaica idiot.
When I please. Not love a girl. Sit there, Ackee walk wrong.
And I come and talk about.
Indeed, right down million ways.
Have no phone. Ackee, you can tell me say Zoe have no phone, Annie. And we know say Zoe have him phone and you go say that is a lie, scream record and say lie.
Ackee walk, there is no farmership, so why not going to go your phone? Zoe have phone. Man. Ackee walk have so many options and I want ugly youth so he can get a girl. He can go buy some.
Hello.
Some beg some.
Hello, me know Ackee walk long time. Ackee walk can't get any girl. Me don't know what gone in her head.
Exactly.
What happen? But why?
See, we are big. When we there with them money, see them money, then can't get $1,000. So them can't get look young girl them $1,000. That's frightening enough for them. And if you learn to control them, good.
Exactly. Exactly. That's
If you can't get one for the big woman, go get local lotion and go in your bathroom and watch two local
Ackee could be
Right.
but through him get catch.
That's why I keep saying over and over. I don't
You have
serve
enough man. You have enough man claim so then they will
what he gets.
and of them grow them. You have enough man claim so then they then of them grow them. And go through more things that come out now and enough of them get catch.
Me didn't know Ackee I mean related to him. I'm sorry, me never go look for him. I just see how me feel. Because he's wrong.
Of course, in a million ways he wrong. I don't serve for him.
Wrong, man.
I don't serve for him. The only thing I say,
We're not blaming Zoe, I'm blaming Ackee and I'm blaming Annie. Those are the two adults and they're wrong.
Miss Hannah say enough to get visitor, not enough to get.
Me never said about enough to go look for him. Me say if he related to me, me need not go. That's just me.
exactly. And I with you. I am with you.
But if your mother may have no problem, I don't see why me foot should have problem. Because if it's one place, all of them live in one house.
Let me say something again. Because Ackee walk. Alright, them come from Falkland. Ackee walk, been around Annie, and Ackee walk, so Annie treat him and they roll him, and so Annie use them and abuse them and dash them to the wayside. I saw you jumpy. Me eye them now work. Me not think him as good, you know. Because we all see how Annie treat every man that come around her.
Look at big man, they
and
love.
when they are no more used to that to her, she throw them away. Him never see?
Well, I just feel say, may I tell you something? I say, Annie, you see, when me have to say about you, I'm not going to play hypocrite, I'm not going to play best. And I just talk with me face, and with me know my truth. Annie, you should never make you work out, so me never say, make police catch Ackee and you pick me off of their own and press charge. You know why me say it? Because at the end of the day, you know say then the long time from Ochi. You know say then they. And you never do nothing about it. You are gone bad from a morning, can't come good at evening. You know. You understand? And in the road, you drive and everything. Me never say right, but you know. Because me, their guest house, you their guest house. So the end of the day is, yeah, send home your daughter to Ackee that come like a Ackee you know they live. Yeah, send them home together with Alex. Alex a boy pitney. You understand me? Alex a boy pitney. Alex the boat in business about in little weed, that's when brother say. So in the day is Ackee and Zoe alone left back in the house, so they free them to do anything.
Annie alone, and he's not the only adult that was in that house. Mika know, Chanel know, Dragon
all of them know. So the idea is now why when CD come in now you gotta lock up the youth.
Because when
you tell the youth to look your man, one in your yard.
And she talk it. When Chanel and Annie she talk it, they all knew what was going on.
One, I send him my yard or send him back at Ochi where you take him from.
Feel the little girl, Ackee feel himself. All of the adults around her feel.
You understand? So, I know Ackee good to feel say you're right with him because enough man get to it. So, put some dog now the same look.
And that me know.
You get catch there. Put some dog now the same look and it does.
Alright, my people, so tell me what you think. We're gonna move on to the next.
Use you as the little bait. I don't rate Annie front to them. I can't try though I say more there, I don't rate Annie again. Because Annie tie up himself like him taking me that for full through money. Because you come and you go say, Zoe not have no phone and we know say Zoe have phone. So we all go live when hear it. That's our biggest red flag. So where you expect that we should believe? Somebody lick out your car glass then. Your light in your car. That is not a lick out. That is something what somebody's definitely screwed. So you can see some work pan did go on pan the car and you come and see a people. When a person, nobody not a time for that. I still not screw out nothing. Anybody come to destroy your car, them all lick them out and you go see it a ground or lick out. And it mean that you still fool and you see a mind game a play. It's a big mind game. Definitely a play. You understand? So in the day is one auntie. And idea is it's a big lie. So the idea is nobody know what most of far as how me want so far as how me see it. See the no bias and me can't tell you no facts. Me not care. Because guess what no Rosalie Pitney then gone and a school no go take for Rosalie too from. A school no go for Rosalie too from in a school. No go take up even Anna baby. I mean no say Anna baby now have no store nor no go for Anna baby. Anna yard and but that thing be Anna loving baby. And you tell me no say Annie we do all of them a judgment Annie daughter now go school. All of them a judgment. Big man no lock up say with Annie little daughter everything. Annie still no comment. So something no right. Either somebody in there work with somebody or something. But that no look good. We don't need to care back. Barbar and Chantal go drop off back. Care them go drop off back at evil. Cause this no fear. Care them back man. I'm not too dishonest. Care back Rosalie Pitney them go give him. See they don't want an investigation. Everything about Annie life is at the media. When I no screen record, Annie can't talk. When I no screen record, if I know Annie then call, if I know Annie talk, it depends screen record. So see they don't want no more investigation. They over here every time. See they watch media, of course they watch media. I think they don't have people who watch media we carrying things. And you tell me if anyone so stink till man go to jail, big man go to jail for underage Pitney and see they still can't come in. Just as say we're not live not true. And I don't feel people in the media and I don't feel that people sending on no money and not going no things. We not obligated to them to send on no business to them. That's the right. To open up on no business for life. Everything for no sex, no contact. Everything on no do no contact, on no private life.
Pregnant. Oh, birth control. Birth control. Oh, the one that asks about the punishment. No, I already talk about that because it's up to me to punish my daughter. I don't have to make social media know about how I punish her or I deal with her at the end of the day. Yes, she's getting counseling. She is getting counseling. Oh, I remember 2 things we're going to talk about. 2 things. We're going to talk about the birth control and we're going to talk about when them said, should them drop me from up at the house, right? No, seriously. When time me did talk to such person, right? I will up at the guest house. Let me tell you, my kids them never did have to come to the guest house. But you see, because we did have a water problem, which part we live. So me make my kids them, yes, such person. So me make the kids them come up at the guest house and plus my kids. So me like my kids them they around me. Me not like to you. Me just love that. So me make them come at the guest house and then bathe and you know relax and use the Wi-Fi and them something there. So when me do now, me pay for the space, right? So me no want to do with man, cock up with man and have me Pitney them far from me. Me just not like that. So me carry the kids them down there. Plus we did have a water problem at the time. So everybody come up there. Everybody did up there. Everybody did up there. Everybody up to the same man did up there. The whole of we stay up there daytime. We buy food, we eat, we come pan live and chillax. You get what I'm saying? No. And night time now, right? Remember that the kids them have to go home. Sometimes me drive go home. Sometimes the driver drive, but when I drive, I make the driver there beside me because if there is a police stop me, me can't say I know me are the driver, you know. You get what me I say because I remember the ting. So me make sure that the driver always been there with him license, because he is the only person who have their license. Now at night time now, me make sure same drop home the kids. Remember, I'm paying that driver to help me, you understand me, until me get my license. Right now, when at night time now, when the kids them a come down now, me like Mika Boo, Alex, right, and Mika Boo, Alex, and Zoe would have come down back in the car and them drop off back my kids. At the time, Ackee walk asleep over mama. You get me? Ackee walk was sleeping over mama. You get me? So he was not sleeping in my house. He was not sleeping in my house. Even when time such person did come down, right? I'ma say, you know what? Cause I say, me fi carry him come on me yard, carry him come on me yard, carry him come on me yard. But me never did not realize say it's just know a boy want know something about me. Me think I help the boy did want come help me with my house. So I say, alright then, me could go home now and he want start sleep down on my yard. So me said, alright then, me could start go back on my yard. When that the person they come on me yard, right? Him never see that. He never see Ackee walk sleeping in my house. Yeah, Ackee, yeah, Alex is nice and quiet. Right? Moderator, please connect with them dirty people here. You shape like a blood clad camel. Go suck your mother. Camel shaped it, girl. You black her already, moderator? That girl was shaped like a camel. How was she there? You know, get when I'm a chat. Moderator, you can't get black car before me, so. You know, say if my people, my real people, they look for me, or people are reason with me, I say, Annie, you're wrong for that. I'm okay, you know. I'm okay if a person, thank you, bad baby, I'm okay with say, Annie, you know, you're wrong for that. But so when dirty people want come, go and them want come this, at them time, they may go this, yo. Because enough of them are come and say, go and let them are some perfect mother. Them don't even know where them pick the day. Because enough of them are nighttime whore. You see me? Some of them come.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't talk much. Run through this last part here quick and fast.
Play with me. None of them bully me. Again, what we're talking about, guys, I could go back on track. When Ackee walk bring down my kids, right? Ackee walk was not sleeping in the house with my kids. Ackee walk the next door. You understand me? When time that person come on me yard and that person start sleep here at my house, him never see Ackee walk sleeping at this house. You understand? Him even ask me the question, which part Ackee walk sleep? I'ma tell him saying sleep next door over my friend named Mama. Right? One at the time Ackee walk was sleeping in the car. You understand? Right? So him never did not sleep inside of my house. You get me? Moderator block that person because I'm sure no, I never chat to you, dirty girl. Or if not, I feel uncomfortable and I can't reason. Lock down my comment section because when I said there's nobody I gonna stop me from always being myself. Right? So if not, lock it down. I'm not talking with none of uno. Uno not relevant. None tal. Oh, my people them relevant. But who are come over your son know me I talk about because I don't feel like me at this son. So, as what I said, right? When I bring down my kids, that was the whole thing. It's not like me sending down her with him. I send down my 17-year-old son, my 19-year-old daughter. You get what I say? One at a time, my big son was here. I want to know that my big son was here one at a time. Right? Allow me to tell Jagga? Alright, my son was here also one at a time. Right? But paying him to drop on my kids. Right? If me supposed to get any blame by him dropping on my kids, that crazy because I have pitney we go to school. I have mother we send driver to go pick up on a pitney. So me don't understand how now go blame me for that. That crazy as hell. Right? Not only that. My daughter is not on birth control. I don't know who come with that. I don't know some of my story who come with it, you know. So my story that me I wonder where to get them from. My daughter depend birth control? Why my daughter would be on birth control? Eh? And when you know one pitney I walk around and do the things them, you know you gotta try to put them on birth control because you know want them come breed pan you. You see me? So I never have an idea. My daughter is not on birth control. Me not gonna no clinic. Me not gonna no doctor go get no birth control because pitney a pitney. You understand? So my daughter is not on birth control. So when people are spread it about also our daughter depend which birth control. Nobody in my house don't depend that shit. And if Mika Boo choose to do that, Mika Boo is a big girl. But why would I go get birth control for Zoe? Why would I do that? And this is all me see all of the rumors just a spread. Everybody a come out and a tell feed them argument. Which is why me even know enough how to chat about. I don't even know enough how to chat about. It's so weird. Me even hear them say them have one video where them say Zoe and Ackee walk holding hand together. I'm here asking to send the video come. Nobody now give me the video. Mr. Send the video to me. Give me the video. Let me see the video where them are hold hand together. I would like to see that. I would like to see that, of course. You understand? So when me realize said, people just come and a build up story. People just come and a build up story from left, right, and center. You get me? And who want run with where they want run with, them run with. You understand? But enough of the things where them a talk about, I don't have a clue. And anybody want to believe me, then that's a phone of business. That have nothing to do with me. Right? And a good thing when I go up on RT Boss live today, I could have listened to some people what them have to say because I want them a spread out there. You know one of the things when I realize Ackee want make sure him spread some rumors because him know what him do. So what him I do is draw himself out of the problem. Because some things when me hear him chat say and even talk about she see him one, right? He was just cover him ass. Typically he's covering his ass. Like what him I do is to make sure say him not in at that. You understand me? I know the last half now when me catch him, you know. At this now you could have say him guilty, you know. At this now, but the thing is this, the man brave. Him too fucking brave. Him is too freaking brave. Because all him a tell you and I tell lie, him know exactly where go down the day. And me keep on telling you say him run. But no one believe me. Me keep on say to you say the man run. It's just like I can't talk out the rest. You see me? But me teach you something. Nowadays people keep things in them phone. Remember technology run the blood clot place. So everybody wants to save up something in them phone. Yeah. Remember that. You hear me? So sometime other people will just ease off and relax. Moderator turn on back my comments. And I want to just allow my daughter because she go through life. Everything out the law I deal with. Lower her make she go through life. Leave her alone. You see me?
People, here Anya say the man brave and rare. People, I know brave, the man brave, you know. I in love, the man in love. You see me I say too much time the man I spend round the picnic and I go on with themselves and something. The man look like saying fall in love with the youth. That's why him do the things them way him do. You see me I say? That are the only explanation. I know brave him brave. I love the man falling out with the youth. You see me I say? So Annie is to be blamed, people. Big woman thing, I mean I stop say that. She as a mother shouldn't allow her youth run no man them type of way there. And also LD you know, do something and you still make a next man come on your youth come. You see me? Let me know one thing.
We have pitney we do things. You see me? But right now, and believe you me, I don't even want to send her go road. Right now, she's a... I never want her back out, but it a go hard. It a go really hard. Because I know so she a go through a lot, but me a go help her the best way I can. There's one thing I love about her. She not have a runner. She not run away. She not have runaway intentions. She not have them the type of intentions if her run away and them something there. So the only thing me can do is to get her a counselor. You understand? Me deal with it the best way as possible. Don't make nobody come on me yard. You understand me? Stop friend up with people and care people around me. Girl, pitney them. Blame myself and me not act like no victim. You see me? Because and me, there's a point, of course, I go point for myself and said, you to blame. Because you are the person invite people around, but I pay this person to come and drive for me. I never pay you for come do them shit, yeah. Right? And that does teach me say wicked people out the road because people with it, they're not smiling in your face and pretend like them good. You see? So what everybody has say, I understand and have our own opinion, but you not always remember say, she's still young. You understand me? Nowadays, them I look up at me, I choose to go to suicidal and all different type of thing. Remember, there's a thing when I realize too in the family, like, and me alone always a struggle with them as a mother and father. So, I don't know if there's a part where she miss her dad. You get what me I say? So, me I make sure say a counselor deal with her on that level if you see what she really and truly deep down hurt by. Right? Because when me did younger, nobody never really did it for me that way. Because when I was young, I was hurt. And I wish if somebody would have did it when I could have really talked to. And the only somebody I could have talked to was my grandfather. When my grandfather passed off, that was my world. That was my world when my grandfather passed off. And nobody in a yard, I couldn't talk to nobody. My grandfather was the first person to tell me I see me period. My grandfather did blind. You get me? I always keep on look a bag in his stomach. I tell my grandfather I go buy my first day free. You get me? So me I do what me can do. Alright? Me continue to take it crucifying and everything. But me I do what me can do. And me now go stop fight because there's no father yes for my kids them and me.